You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
International Institute of Aviation by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
An International Institute of Aviation is a specialized educational institution dedicated to training and developing professionals in the aviation industry. These institutes offer comprehensive programs in areas like pilot training, air traffic control, aircraft maintenance, aviation management, and airport operations. 1 Courses offered by International Institutes of Aviation. Pilot training programs. Private pilot license, PPL. Commercial pilot license, Corporal. Airline transport pilot license, ATPL. Multi-engine and instrument rating, ME/IR. Flight instructor courses. Air traffic control, ATC, training. Basic and advanced ATC courses. Radar and non-radar control. Approach and area control training. Emergency procedures and crisis management. Aircraft maintenance engineering, AME. B1.1, aeroplanes turbine, and B2, avionics, licenses. Aircraft systems, engines, and avionics maintenance. Practical training on aircraft components. Aviation management and operations. Airport and airline management. Aviation safety and security. Ground handling services. Cargo and logistics management. Cabin crew training. Safety procedures and emergency handling. Customer service and hospitality. Grooming and personality development. 2 Admission requirements. Age limit, typically 17 to 30 years depending on the program. Educational qualification, high school diploma or equivalent. Advanced programs may require a degree. Language proficiency, English language skills, IELTS/TOEFL certification may be required. Medical fitness, medical examination for pilot and ATC programs. Skills, strong communication, problem solving, and decision-making skills. 3 Benefits of studying at an international aviation institute. Global recognition, certifications recognized by global aviation authorities, for example, ICAO, EASA, FAA. Practical experience, hands-on training with advanced simulators and real aircraft. Industry connections, access to internships, placements, and networking opportunities. Comprehensive curriculum, in-depth theoretical and practical training. 4 Career opportunities. Graduates can pursue careers in airlines, pilots, cabin crew, and ground staff. Air traffic control, controllers and supervisors. Maintenance and engineering, licensed aircraft engineers. Airport management, operations, security, and customer service. Aviation authorities and regulators, inspectors and safety officers. 5 Leading international institutes of aviation. Some of the top aviation institutes around the world include CAI Oxford Aviation Academy, worldwide. Emirates Aviation University, UAE. Singapore Aviation Academy, Singapore. LeTourneau University, USA. Lufthansa Aviation Training, Germany. Conclusion. An international institute of aviation equips students with the skills and knowledge needed for successful careers in the aviation industry. With comprehensive training, global recognition, and career opportunities, these institutes are the gateway to a dynamic and rewarding career in aviation.